Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hi, Emily. It's great to see you. How are you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful, Paul. Thank you. I feel happy today. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. I feel happy too. The sun is shining.
Yes, it's a beautiful day. A perfect day to talk about something fun.
Oh, I like fun topics. What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about vacations.
Ah, vacations. Wow, I love vacations. That is a fantastic topic.
Me too. But before we start, everyone watching, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
Yes, and give this video a like if you love vacations. And please share it with your friends and family.
Exactly. Your support helps us a lot. Okay, Paul, are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's talk about vacations.
Great. So let's start with a simple question. What is a vacation?
That's a good question. A vacation is a time when you do not work.
Yes, no work and no school.
That's right. It's a break, a time to rest and have fun.
I agree. Fun is a very important part of a vacation.
Yes, very important. So where do people go for a vacation?
Many people go to the beach. The beach is a very popular vacation spot.
Oh, I love the beach. The sun, the sand, the water. It's beautiful.
It is. What can you do at the beach, Paul?
At the beach, you can swim in the ocean.
Yes, swimming is fun. The water can be cool and nice on a hot day.
Exactly. And you can lie on the sand and feel the sun.
Ah, yes. To relax. Maybe read a book.
That sounds perfect. What about children? What do children do at the beach?
Children love to play in the sand. They build sandcastles.
Oh, yes. Big sandcastles with shells.
It's so creative. They can also play with a ball at the beach.
A beach ball. Yes, fun for the whole family.
So the beach is one place. What is another place for a vacation?
How about the mountains? Some people love the mountains.
The mountains are very different from the beach. Very beautiful, too.
Yes, they are. At the beach, you have sand and water. In the mountains, you have trees and, well, mountains.
Yes, big mountains. What do you do in the mountains?
You can go for a long walk to see the trees and flowers.
That's called hiking. Hiking is very good exercise.
It is, and the air in the mountains is very fresh and clean.
It feels so good to breathe the fresh air. You can also see animals.
Oh, what kind of animals?
Maybe birds, squirrels, sometimes deer.
Wow, that is very special. The mountains are very quiet.
Yes, very quiet and peaceful. It's a good place to relax your mind.
I agree. So, we have the beach for sun and fun, and the mountains for quiet and nature.
That's a good way to say it. Where else can we go?
We can go to a big city. A city vacation is very exciting.
Ooh, a city vacation. Yes, very different from the mountains. Cities are not quiet.
No, not at all. Cities are noisy and full of people and energy.
So, what do people do on a city vacation?
They can visit museums to see art and history.
Museums are very interesting. I like museums.
Me too. You can also see famous buildings and monuments.
Yes, like the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Statue of Liberty in New York.
Exactly. You can take many photos.
lots of photos. And what about food in the city?
Ah, the food. In a big city, you can eat food from all over the world.
You can go to many different restaurants. Italian food, Japanese food, Mexican food.
It's delicious. A city vacation is great for people who love food and excitement.
I agree. So we have the beach, the mountains, and the city. 3 great options.
But what if you don't travel? Can you have a vacation at home?
Yes, you can. That is a great point, Paul. It's called a staycation.
A staycation. I like that word. Stay and vacation together.
Yes, you stay at home. You don't go to work, but you don't travel.
So what do you do on a staycation?
You can do many things. You can read books you want to read.
Oh, that's a good idea. I have many books I want to read.
You can watch movies all day.
Wow, a movie marathon. I love that.
You can cook a special meal, or you can just rest, sleep a lot.
A staycation sounds very, very relaxing, and it's easy. No packing.
Yes, no packing. Packing for a vacation can be a lot of work.
It can. What do you pack for a beach vacation, Emily?
For the beach, I pack my swimsuit, of course.
Yes, a swimsuit is number 1.
I pack a towel to dry off after swimming.
A big soft towel. Good.
And very important, sun cream. The sun is strong at the beach.
Yes, sun cream is a must to protect your skin. What else?
A hat and sunglasses to protect my face and eyes.
Good thinking. And maybe some light clothes, like a t-shirt and shorts?
Exactly. That sounds about right for the beach.
Okay, so what about the mountains? What do we pack for the mountains? It's different.
Very different. For the mountains, you need good shoes.
Ah, yes, for walking, for hiking. Comfortable shoes are very important.
Very important. You also need a jacket. It can be cold in the mountains.
Even in the summer?
Yes, sometimes in the evening it gets cool, so a jacket is a good idea.
Okay, good shoes and a jacket. What else?
Maybe a backpack to carry water and some snacks?
Good idea. When you walk a lot, you get thirsty and hungry.
Yes, so that's the mountains. Now, what about a city vacation?
For a city vacation, I think you also need comfortable shoes.
Oh, yes. You walk a lot in the city too, from museums to restaurants to shops.
True. So comfortable shoes again. What kind of clothes?
Maybe some nice clothes for going to a nice restaurant in the evening.
That's a good point. A nice shirt or a dress?
Yes, and I always pack a camera for a city vacation.
A camera is a great idea to take pictures of everything you see.
Exactly. And a map. Or, well, your phone with a map.
Yes, a phone with a map is very helpful so you don't get lost.
So we know where to go and what to pack. Let's talk about how to get there. How do people travel for vacation?
Well, many people travel by car, if the place is not too far.
A car is good. You can put all your bags in the car.
And you can stop when you want. You can see things along the way.
That's true. A road trip. What is another way?
For places that are very far, people travel by plane.
Yes, a plane is very fast. You can go to another country in a few hours.
It's amazing. You are up in the sky, above the clouds.
I love looking out the window of a plane.
Me too. What about a train? Is a train good for vacation travel?
I think so. A train is very relaxing. You can sit and watch the scenery go by.
Yes, and you can read a book or talk to people. It's not as fast as a plane, but it's very nice.
I agree. So we have car, plane, and train. And bus, too. A bus can take you to many places.
That's right. So many ways to travel. Emily, I have a question for you.
Okay, ask away.
Do you prefer a relaxing vacation or an active vacation?
Ooh, that is a difficult question. A relaxing vacation is like the beach, just reading and sleeping.
Yes. And an active vacation is like the mountains with lots of hiking and walking.
I think I like a mix. A little bit of relaxing and a little bit of activity.
Ah, a good balance. I think I agree with you. What about you, our listeners? What do you prefer?
Yes, let us know. Paul, let's talk about a real vacation. Tell me about a past vacation that you enjoyed.
Okay, I can do that. A few years ago, I went to the beach with my family.
Oh, lovely. Where did you go?
We went to a small town by the sea. It was very pretty.
What did you do there?
Every day we went to the beach. We swam in the ocean. The water was so blue.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
It was. And we built a very, very big sandcastle. My brother and I.
Fun. Did you eat good food?
Oh, the food was amazing. We ate fresh fish from the ocean, and every day we ate ice cream.
Ice cream on vacation is the best.
It really is. It was a simple vacation, but it was perfect. Very relaxing.
It sounds perfect. Happy memories are the best souvenirs.
That is so true. Now, what about you, Emily? Tell me about one of your favorite vacations.
Okay, my favorite vacation was a trip to a big city. I went with 2 friends.
A city trip with friends. That sounds like a lot of fun.
It was. We walked everywhere. We saw so many things. We went to 3 museums.
3 museums. Wow! You must love museums.
I do. We saw old paintings and interesting sculptures, and we took so many pictures.
I can imagine. What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the food. We tried a new restaurant every night.
Ooh, what kind of food did you eat?
We ate amazing pizza at an Italian restaurant, and we had delicious noodles at a Chinese restaurant.
Yummy. It sounds like a very exciting and delicious vacation.
It was very different from your beach vacation, but also very fun.
It shows that there are many types of wonderful vacations. It depends on what you like.
Exactly. So let's dream a little. If you could go anywhere for your next vacation, where would you go?
My dream vacation. I think I would like to go to Italy.
Italy! Why Italy?
For the history. I want to see Rome. The old buildings are so famous. And also for the food.
The food again.
Of course. I want to eat real Italian pizza and pasta and gelato.
That sounds like a delicious dream. I hope you go one day.
Thank you, Emily. Me too. What about you? What is your dream vacation?
My dream vacation is to see the northern lights.
Wow! The aurora borealis, the beautiful lights in the sky.
Yes, I want to go to a country in the north, like Norway or Iceland.
And stay in a small, warm house and look at the sky at night.
Exactly. It seems so magical. It's very different, not a hot, sunny vacation, a cold one.
But so beautiful. I think that is a wonderful dream, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. It's fun to dream about vacations.
It is. It makes me happy just thinking about it.
Me too. We talked about so much today. The beach, the mountains, the city, a staycation.
And packing and traveling by car or plane and our past vacations.
And our dream vacations. Wow, this was a great conversation.
I really enjoyed it. Vacations are such a happy topic.
They are. And I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I'm sure they did. Learning English should be happy, like a vacation for your brain.
I love that, Paul. A vacation for your brain. That's perfect.
Well, our time is almost over for today.
Yes, it went by so fast. Before we go, we want to say thank you for listening.
Thank you, everyone. We really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give this episode a thumbs up like if you had fun talking about vacations with us.
And we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below.
Yes, our question is, what is your dream vacation? Where do you want to go?
It can be the beach, the mountains, a city, or anywhere in the world. Tell us in the comments. We love to read what you write.
We do. It's so nice to connect with all of you.
So, until next time, keep practicing your English and keep dreaming of your next vacation.
That's right. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Have a great week.